little artists. Ready for a cool, fruity adventure? Today, we're drawing the cutest fruit ice creams ever. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's dive into this sweet world. Begin with the first ice cream, a rounded rectangle with a handle. Let's add personality. Draw eyes, a mouth. Draw 2 lines. And add some water drop-shaped seeds. Voila! It's our watermelon ice cream.
Wow!
Move on to the second one. Repeat the process. And now let's decorate it. Add kiwi, strawberry, blueberry slices. Let your imagination run wild. Time to make these cuties stand out. Trace the outline boldly and sharply with your black marker, making these ice creams pop. Show off your vibrant color pens. Let's name the colors while painting. Brown color. Bottle green color. Lime green color. Cherry red color. Light green color. Red color. Brown color. Light green color. Red color. Lime green color. Sea green color. Purple color. Light green color. And a touch of black. Wow! Enhance with white watercolor for some bright highlights. Great job, budding artists! You've whipped up the most adorable fruit ice creams. Keep creating and exploring. Until next time, stay colorful and keep those creative juices flowing. See you soon! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.